Students, welcome to physics class 10th. Last day we study about defect of human eye, myopia and hypermetropia. Today we study about defect of human eye, presbyopia. It is found in old people. The eye which suffers from myopia as well as from hypermetropia is said to suffer from presbyopia. A man suffering from this defect cannot see objects distinctly placed at any distance from him. Causes: this defect arises due to the following reason. First is weakness of ciliary muscles. Second is hardening or loss of elasticity of eye lens. Remedy: this defect can be corrected by using bifocal or varifocal lenses, which consist of both convex and concave lenses. The upper portion consists of a concave lens for myopia and the lower portion consists of convex lens for hypermetropia. Cataract. It is a defect of vision due to which an old person clouding of lens of the eye. Cataract occurs due to the formation of a white membrane over the eye lens. It can even lead to total loss of vision if proper treatment is not done in time. Contact lens are small lenses placed in contact with the eye, which is replacement for the traditional spectacles. Numerical problems related to these. There are many numerical problems which are generally based on myopia and hypermetropia on finding the focal length and power of the lens, which are used to correct the defect. These problems are solved by using lens formula. Lens formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, where f is focal length of the lens. If f is positive, then lens is convex, and if f is negative, then lens is concave lens. V is image of distance and u is object distance. In these problems, always remember that for healthy human eye, the far point is infinity and near point is least distance of distinct vision, that is 25 centimeter. Here one example is given. A person cannot see the object beyond 4 meter distinctly. State the nature and focal length of the lens required to correct this defect of vision. In the solution, here a person cannot see the object beyond 4 meter. Here is object distance u is equal to minus infinity, image distance v is equal to minus 4 meter, that is 400 centimeter far point. So focal length is required. By putting these values in lens formula, we get f is equal to 4 meter. According to the sign of the given focal length, the lens is diverging in nature, that is, it is a concave lens. Now, next topic is refraction of light through a prism. First, a prism is a transparent refracting medium bounded by at least two lateral surfaces inclined to each other at a certain angle.